Hi, this is Ben, and this is the VEVOR pivoting utility fan. Let's get it out, plug it in, and check it out. I love the unique design of the fan and the way it can be pivoted into any direction. Now, it can be placed in any position, but it does have some notched positions where it will click into place. The fan can be directed directly at the floor, and it can swivel all the way back towards the ceiling. The intake for the air is here on the side, so of course you would not want this blocked when you're using the fan. On the opposite side are the controls. One interesting thing I discovered is that there is an unmarked position beyond number 1, which is actually an off position. So let's cycle through the 3 different speeds, and you can get an idea of the volume of the fan. Another cool feature of this fan is there is a built-in 115 volt outlet, which lets you daisy chain several fans together. And of course you can use this outlet for anything you want. And it does have a built-in breaker, so you don't have to worry about overloading it. So to test this out, I'm holding this pom-pom here, and I'm standing about 10 feet away. The air is still reaching me pretty well. It's on high right now. You can see it's moving the pom-pom without any problem. This fan is nice. It's solid. It's all plastic, lightweight, small. It's quite powerful and focused air. Has a very long cord, and it's a 3-prong grounded plug. It's very versatile and handy for drying surfaces or whatever else you need it for. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.